Our company was born with ambition and has grown with the will to go the distance. Just like when we started out, we rolled up our sleeves, put tools and pencils in hand, and we're at the workbench with the lights on at all hours. We have a drive for perfection, quality and precision, and we know that these can only be obtained through commitment and research. Our method and discipline have made us a reference point in both third-party machining and the design of static and driven tool holders for CNC lathes. Our technical department has immense experience and uses innovative tools and technologies to create over 500 new products every year. We put our precisions to work with 3D design, simulations, computer analysis, and rigorous verification and testing to achieve a high level of reliability, maintaining the highest standards at each subsequent stage, from production to assembly to shipping. In 5 business days, we can deliver worldwide. We support our customers with after-sales service and customer satisfaction management, and we guarantee Italian-made quality in everything we do, from idea to production to delivery to assistance. But that's not all. Our internal machine shop produces 95% of our products, so we can personalize products or even create customized solutions for our customers with incredible versatility. We can create products that have never existed before. We are innovators and pioneers in our field. With our eyes firmly fixed on the future, we have fully integrated with Industry 4.0, anticipating by years this new frontier of technology and opportunities. Specialization is the key in our business, so we are constantly updating our technology and the knowledge of our team to guarantee the highest performance. Our people are always ready to put themselves to the test. Our desire to go the distance never wanes. There are still many projects to be realized and technologies to discover, and we are always ready, with our sleeves rolled up, to face new challenges. MT, tailored to perfection.